नमस्कार बच्चों, आज हम नया टॉपिक में जा रहे हैं। टॉपिक का नाम है गुडविल। गुडविल समझने का पहले मैं एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी बताऊंगा। मदुरई इज अ प्लेस इन तमिलनाडु। उसमें एक दुकान है, कोनार करी डोसा। सुने होंगे आप। छोटा दुकान, व्हेन दे स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस इन अ स्मॉल मोड। छोटा दुकान स्टार्ट की। उनका जो ओनर, उनका जो फाउंडर है, अपना एफर्ट, अपना मेहनत और प्रोफिशिएंसी, अपना क्वालिटी दिखाकर, और दे पुट देयर एफर्ट्स, दे जस्ट प्रोड्यूस द गुड्स with pure quality and they managed well, and their customer relation was very good one. So because of that they gain good name. अच्छा, उनका कस्टमर सर्विस अच्छा था, उनका क्वालिटी था, उनका सामान, उनका डोसा जो है वेरी क्वालिटी था। स्टफ्ड चिकन डोसा, वेरी क्वालिटी वन। सब अब अगल बगल एरिया में फेमस हो गए उन लोग। अच्छा, नाम आ गया, गुड नेम आ गया। ऑटोमेटिकली उनका अगल बगल एरिया से कस्टमर आना शुरू हुए। सो फेमस हो गया, रेपुटेशन बढ़ गया। सो बिकॉज ऑफ रेपुटेशन एंड गुड नेम उनका सेल्स बढ़ा। सेल्स ऐसा बढ़ा कि सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट। जो नॉर्मल रेस्टोरेंट अगल बगल दुकान है उन लोग 10,000 रुपीज पर मंथ कमाते, तो दे जस्ट गेट मोर देन दी 10,000। दैट इज दे स्कोर, they just gain more than the normal profit. That is, they gain super normal profit. So because of that they gain goodwill. Now Konar Kari Dosa is a very famous shop, very famous restaurant in Madurai. Everybody know, isn't it? So because they gain reputations, they gain a good name through their efforts, through the past efforts of the owner. That is goodwill. Let's see the definition of goodwill. In the words of Lord Macnaghten, goodwill is a thing very easy to describe, very difficult to define. It is the benefit and advantage of the good name, reputations and connection of the business. It is the attractive force which brings in customers. It is the attractive force which brings in customers. It is one which distinguishes the old established business from a new business at its first start. Let me explain the definition. To define the definition of goodwill is a very difficult job because it is intangible, no? As it is intangible, it is very difficult to explain. The goodwill is the result of good name and reputations. Goodwill is the result of, the benefit of, you are having good name, you are having reputations, so you are benefited with goodwill. Okay? Goodwill is a force which attracts the customer to buy the product, to come to your place and buy the product. So goodwill is the attractive force. A customer come together and voluntarily come together and buy the goods. So goodwill is the force which attracts the customer to bring in. Next, the difference between old business and new business is goodwill. Because goodwill enjoys by the old business, a new business doesn't have any goodwill. It is assumed that a new business doesn't have any goodwill. Only old business can have the goodwill. Through the past efforts, they gain the confidence of the customer, the consumer. That's why the name called goodwill. So every businessman tries to gain goodwill. How a goodwill can be gained? Through the hard work, through satisfying the customer, the goodwill can be gained. Right? I just go to the slide. Check here. There are two examples I am giving. Amul versus Bala. You know Amul? Amul means Anand Milk Union Limited, milk producing company. And Bala is a new company. I assume that. The example only. Amul is a famous company producing milk products. and Bala is a newly started company. Now check the good name. Who is having good name? Amul or Bala? Obviously, Amul only. Who is having more reputation? Amul only. Who is having more network? Amul only. Who is having long span of time, age? Amul only. Who is having gaining more profit? Obviously, Amul only. So those which company is having more? Which company is having more goodwill? Amul company only. Right? So goodwill is very important for every business for their success. Right? Let's discuss about the next topic, that is nature of goodwill. What is the nature of goodwill? Goodwill is intangible. Intangible. अब सुने होंगे intangible. Intangible. This is tangible. We can touch, we can see, we can feel. But what is intangible? The things we can't see, touch and feel. That is intangible. Right? So what is the nature of goodwill? Goodwill is an intangible nature. Okay. How would you classify the goodwill? How would you differentiate the goodwill? There are two types of goodwill. Purchased goodwill or self-generated goodwill. Self-generated goodwill. What is purchased goodwill? Simple. For example, Mr. A purchased a piece of land in Aberdeen Bazaar, nearby the bazaar. So actual market value is 1 lakh, but it is placed in the prime locations. That's why he has to pay more than market consideration. Now he is paying 2 lakh extra. So he is paying 3 lakh. 1 lakh is the market value. He is paying more market consideration. That the difference is called goodwill. Right? What is this self-generated goodwill? It is not assessed. It is assessed only at the time of reconstitution of partnership. कब हम लोग इसको वैल्यू करेंगे? रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूट जब होगा तब. कब रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूट होगा? When there is changes in profit sharing ratio, when there is admission, when there is retirement, we reconstitute. Otherwise, the self-generated goodwill will not be placed into the account according to accounting standard 26. Right? दो तरह का goodwill है, purchase goodwill है, self-generated goodwill है. This is for your information, is not part of the syllabus. Right? It is for your extra informations. There are two types of goodwill, purchase goodwill and self-generated goodwill. Right? Next topic है factors affecting the value of goodwill. Goodwill को कौन से factors affect करता है? First point is efficiency of management. Efficiency. Business को कौन manage करता? Simply managers, chairman, owner. Management is very effective, is very capable, very able, very proficient. Then there is a more chance of success of the business. अब businessman बहुत अच्छे हैं, strong है, बहुत capable है, so उन लोग सही तरीका से business को लेके जाएंगे. So there is more probability to earn more profit. जब efficiency अच्छा है manager का, तब profit ज़्यादा होगा. जब profit ज़्यादा होगा, तब goodwill बढ़ेगा. Right? When the management is very efficient, then they may able to sell more. Through the sales, they may get more profit. Because of profit, the goodwill may be developed. Right? Yeah, raised. Second is location. Location is a very important one for a business. For example, your business is primarily located in the nearby town. आपका जो place है, location है, city के बीच में है, heart of the city में है. So more chance to get more sales, more chance to get more profit than the normal profit. Then location is very important role. आपका प्लेस ऑफ शॉप मेन जगह में है, मेन लोकेशन में है, यू आर more probability to get more profit. Because of that, there is high chance of getting more goodwill. Next, third, lifespan of business. Lifespan of business means आपका बिजनेस बहुत लंबा समय से चल रहा है, बहुत 1925 से चल रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल Raymond, when your business is run from from the last days, in oldest business is certainly more likely to build a better reputation, position of loyal customer, and have a good foothold in the market. जो बिजनेस पुराना बिजनेस है उनका रेपुटेशन और ज्यादा होगा, और उनका और they may have loyal customers also, और अपना मार्केट में उनका फूड होल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगा. देन एडवांटेज ऑफ पैटेंट. दोज कंपनीज possess some patent rights. What is patent? Right to produce a particular thing. ए बी कंपनी है, ए कंपनी जो है उसके पास राइट है. क्या राइट है? पर्टिकुलर चीज प्रोड्यूस करने का. सो ई मे एंजॉइंग मोर गुडविल देन द अदर कंपनी हु डजंट हैव. ओके. देन इज मोनोपोली. What is monopoly? या शॉर्ट सप्लाई. मार्केट में सिंगल सेलर है या कम सेलर्स है, उनका वैल्यू और उनका रेपुटेशन ज्यादा रहेगा, क्योंकि डिमांड ज्यादा है, सप्लाई कम है, डिमांड ज्यादा है, उनका वैल्यू बढ़ेगा. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मेथड्स एंड वैल्यूएशन ऑफ गुडविल. Let's see the slide. It is given the slide. There are three methods: average profit method, super profit method, capitalization method. Under average profit method, there are two methods: simple average profit method, weighted average profit method. Under capitalization method, capitalization of average profit method and capitalization of super profit method. Right? Let's start one by one. Let's start with average profit method. Average profit method means this is a very simple method and commonly used method. Normally ये method use होते हैं, हर जगह में use होता है. So a method कैसे start करेंगे? What is the formula? First of all, you have to calculate average profit. Formula क्या है average profit का? Total profit by number of years. What is the formula of average profit? Total profit by number of years. Then goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. Number of years purchase. This is the formula of goodwill. आपको डाउट आया होगा, what is number of purchase, number of years purchase? ये क्या होता है? Number of years purchase means it is a specific number of years for which a business is likely to earn profit at a similar rate due to the past performance, efforts and industriousness. मतलब for example एक बिजनेस है, इनका एवरेज प्रॉफिट है 25,000 रुपीज. एवरेज प्रॉफिट कितना है? 25,000 रुपीज. दे वांट टू सेल द प्रॉपर्टी. अपना जो शॉप को लोग सेल करने के लिए इंटरेस्टेड है, सो दे वांट टू सेल. सो इन दिस टाइम वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट परचेज्ड गुडविल. जो बायर है वो गुडविल डिमांड करेगा, गुडविल के लिए अमाउंट कितना है वो पूछेगा. देन सो क्या करना पड़ेगा? अभी नंबर ऑफ इयर्स परचेज कितना होगा निकालना पड़ेगा. सो ईयर द बायर थिंक्स बिकॉज ऑफ देयर पास्ट एफर्ट, because of their past hard work and proficiency, the profit will continue for the next 2 or 3 years. Next 2 or 3 years. So that is year of purchase, number of years purchase. Means मैं दोबारा बोल रहा हूं, जब because of past efforts of the owner, the same amount of profit expected to continue in the near future, that year is called number of years purchase, right? It will given in the question only. So these are the things. So what is the formula of average profit? Average profit is equal to total profit by number of years, and goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchased, right? Let's solve a problem. The goodwill of the firm is estimated at 2 years purchase of the average profit of last 5 years ending 31st March, which are as follows. 2014, 15,000, 2015, 18,000, 2016, 7,000 loss, 2017, 10,000, 2018, 4,000. Calculate value of goodwill of the firm, right? Information is given. You have to directly pose the problem. कैसा post करेंगे इसको? What is given in the question? 2 years purchase is given. First, calculate average profit. Average profit का formula अभी just सीखे हम लोग. Formula क्या है? Total profit by number of years. So add all the profit. सारा profit को add करिए. 15,000, 18,000, 7,000 loss, 10,000 and 4,000. सबको add करिए. Then the total profit will be 40,000. How many number of years? 5 years. 40,000 कैसे मिला? When we add the previous year's profit and deduct loss, you will get 40,000. How many number of years is given in the question? There are 5 years. So the average profit is 8,000. So average profit कितना आया? 8,000. Next, goodwill कितना दिया हुआ है? निकालना पड़ेगा. Goodwill is equal to, फॉर्मूला क्या है? Average profit into number of year purchase. Average profit is how much? 8,000. How many number of years purchase? 2. Number of years purchase is 2. Then the goodwill is 16,000. This is the value of goodwill. Why we multiplied 2? Because we expected that the average profit will continue for next 2 years. That's why we multiply with 2. So the goodwill is 16,000. Very easy, no? First, just go through the formula. Just pose the formula, you will get the answer. Let me remind the formula. What is the average profit? Total profit by number of years. What is goodwill? Goodwill is average profit into number of years purchase. Let's solve another problem. This method is weighted average profit method. Actually, this is simple average profit method. Now we are going to solve weighted average profit method. It is the extension of average profit. Here we give importance to the trend. The profit trend we are giving weight to the profit. Let's solve the problem. Here the formula for weighted average profit is weighted average profit is equal to total product by total weight. Weighted average profit is equal to total product by total weight. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years purchase. This is the formula of weighted average profit method. What is the formula? Weighted average profit is equal to total profit by total weight. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years purchase. Let's solve a problem. A firm's profit for the last 4 years were 25,000, 30,000, 35,000 and 60,000. So how many years profit is given here? 4 years. Calculate the value of firm's goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit after using the weight of 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. ये सिंपल है, ऐसा एक प्रॉब्लम पहले कर चुके हैं, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग में कर चुके हैं, टोटल प्रोडक्ट मेथड में किए थे. सो वही उसी तरह टेबल हम लोग यहाँ पर सॉल्व करेंगे. द टेबल इज, फर्स्ट वन इज year profit weight product. Okay, how many years are given here? 4 years are given. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Amount 25,000. Then what is the amount? 30,000, 35,000, 60,000. Right? What is the weight given in the question? For first year, there is a weight 1 weight, 2, 3, 4. The weight is given in the question itself. The recent year will be give more weight than the previous year. Right? Now multiply it. 25,000 into 1, 25,000, 30,000 into 2, 60,000, 35,000 into 3, 1 lakh, 5,000, 2 lakh, 40,000. Just total it. Just total it. How many weights are there? Total weight is 10, 130, 190, 230, 430, 4 lakh 30,000. Now calculate weighted average profit. Formula is total product by total weight. Total product is 4,30,000 divided by 10. So the profit is, weighted average profit is 43,000. Right? Now calculate goodwill. Goodwill is equal to, what is the formula? Weighted average profit into number of years purchase. It is given in the question. That is 43,000 into number of years purchase is 2. Oh. Let's check the question. Number of years purchase 3. 1,29,000. This is the value of goodwill. So we have solved 2 questions. One in average profit method, another one is weighted average profit method. Right? Next, let's see the super profit method. The next method is, under average profit method we already learned 2 methods, no? Simple average profit method we learned and weighted average profit method we just learned. The third method is super profit method. What is super profit? Super profit means when we earn more than the normal profit. The third method, this is super profit method. Right? First, what is the first term? We have to calculate average profit first. You know average profit, the formula of average profit, this we learned. Then we have to calculate normal profit. Normal profit is capital employed employed into normal rate by 100. Right? Next, we have to calculate super profit. Formula is average profit minus normal profit. Then goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. First of all, we have to calculate average profit, then normal profit, then super profit. After that, we may get goodwill. Let's see a question. A firm's profit during the year 2013, 14, 15 and 16 were 16,000, 24,000, 35,000, 45,000 respectively. The firm capital investment of rupees 1 lakh. The normal rate of return on investment is 20% per annum. Compute goodwill based on 3 years purchase of average profit of last 4 years. Right? Here, you have to calculate goodwill on the basis of super profit method. Right? So, first of all, what do you have to calculate? You have to calculate average profit. So, how to calculate average profit? Average profit is equal to total profit by number of years. Just add all the profits. What the amount is given here? 16,000, 24,000, 35,000, 45,000. If you add, the amount will be 1,20,000. How many number of years is given? How many years is given here? There are 4 years. So, total profit is 1,20,000 and number of years is 4. Then, average profit will be 30,000. Now, next, calculate normal profit. Normal profit is equal to, formula is capital employed into normal rate by 100. What is the amount of capital employed? It is given in the question. Capital employed is 1 lakh into normal rate is 20 by 100. Then normal profit is 20,000. Average profit 30, normal profit 20. Then we have to calculate super profit. Formula क्या है? Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit कितना था? 30,000. Normal profit 20,000. So super profit is 10,000. Now calculate goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. Super profit is 10,000. Number of years purchase is given in the questions. Go through the questions. Here, number of years purchase is 3. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit is 10,000. Number of years purchase is 3. So, the goodwill is 30,000. Let me explain. Normal जो बिजनेस हम लोग बिजनेस चल रहा है वो एवरेज प्रॉफिट कितना कमा रहा है हर एक साल 30,000 कमा रहा है. लेकिन जो ऐसा ही सेम टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस उन लोग नॉर्मली कितना कमा रहे हैं, दूसरा बिजनेस कॉम्पिटिटर बिजनेस उन्हें 23,000 कमा रहे हैं. तो हम लोग जो है उनसे ज्यादा कमा रहे हैं. दैट इज सुपर प्रॉफिट. नॉर्मली वी आर अर्निंग 30,000 रुपीज बट अदर फर्म्स आर अर्निंग 20,000 ओनली बट वी आर अर्निंग 10,000 मोर. दैट अमाउंट को हम लोग क्या करना है, नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स परचेस मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तब गुडविल मिल जाएगा. This is the calculation of super profit method. So today what we learned, there are 3 average profit method, made 2 methods we solved. Simple average profit, weighted average profit we learned, and after that we learned super profit method. How many methods are left now? There are 2 methods under capitalization method. Capitalizing by average profit method and capitalizing by super profit method is left. So let's see in the next class. Thank you.